I love chai tea, and when you combine it with sweet potato, it is truly wonderful. This dessert is so simple and healthy to make, you're going to want to try this one.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So start with the sweet potatoes. I love them, not only for their flavour, but they are less in calories and have higher amounts of fibre than regular potatoes. And all I'm doing here is simply pricking them with a fork. Now this allows the sweet potato to cook evenly when in the oven while retaining its moisture. So give them a good prick with a fork all over and then place them in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes or until soft. Leave them to cool completely, and then when cooled, the skin will come off easily, and then just place them in a bowl for the meantime. Now, while the potato is in the oven, get started on the chai tea infusion. Into a small saucepan, add your oat milk. Now, I've shown you how to make your own oat milk, or you can buy it in the stores. It's up to you. You can swap this out for other milk of your choosing, but I love the added creaminess the oat milk gives this dessert. Bring the milk up to a gentle boil and add in your chai tea bags. Let the bags infuse with the oat milk for around 10 minutes over a low heat, stirring occasionally. After 10 minutes, discard the tea bags, and when ready, pour the milk over the sweet potatoes. Now I'm blending this in a food processor. You can do this by hand, but the machine will give you a really creamy texture. I'm seasoning with salt and also adding in a splash of maple syrup, and then process this until smooth. You can see how creamy it's getting with a really soft texture. This is great served cold or warm, it's your preference, making it perfect for sweet snacks on the go, or even great sweet alternatives for the kids in their lunchboxes. It'll last about 3 days in the fridge, but I suspect it won't last that long.